Hello, everyone. This is your friend Divyesh Dave, and welcome to day number 10. I can't believe that we have crossed the number 9 and now we are on the day 10. So, I hope you are learning something new every day. And today it is very special thing because we are going to set up our page for print ready. That's what we are going to do today. So, today we will learn about all about setting the page. Now, page setting is important because when we are doing any work and when it comes to printing our page, there are so many problems happens and we struggle a lot because I struggle a lot, and I want to give you a guidance that you should avoid all these things, and you can avoid these mistakes. You can keep all these pointers in mind so that you don't have any problem printing or navigating your page setup thing. So to do this, we will simply go through our database which we want to print. Let's say we are working on something and we want to print it, this database or this, or maybe some kind of report that we have printed. Just for example, right now we are using only this thing. Okay. uh, this is our main thing. Let's say we want to print this to the management. Okay. And the very first thing we will do is we will press Control P, so it will open the whole print area. Now I will navigate you and will guide you one by one what are the main important things you need to keep in mind. See, the very first thing comes in print. What kind of print you want to give? Let's say you just select the printer, and if you want to print PDF, you just select the print to PDF. Sometimes what happens is this print to PDF option is not there. So what you can do is simply go to add printer, here add device, and then add new device manually. Can you see this last option? Add a local printer or network printer with manual setting. Click on this. Go to next. Keep the printer port as it is. Next. And here, can you see the Microsoft thing? You just click on Microsoft and then you select the print to PDF option. In case if it's not there, just click on Windows Update and it will start showing this. And then you select this and next. That's it. Because it's already there, it's not showing me here. Okay. But in case if it is not showing there, you just update the window and then it will bring that print to PDF option here. And this is all. You can simply bring that option into your print to PDF option. So if you want to print this, and then you can uh, simply print to the PDF, or you can select your printer, whatever you have. Next is print active sheet, or you want to print the entire worksheet. Better to keep print active sheet always. Or if you have any selection, let's say you just want to print a specific area, let's say first page, you just go to Control P and you just click on print selection. I'm not selecting it because I want to show something different to you. So you just click print selection and it will give you only that part. Back to print active sheet. Now, how many pages you want to print? You just put from page 1 to 2. Okay. And then before that printing, I just want to show you this page setup thing. Now, this box is really helpful whether you want to print a portrait or you want to line up your page as as a landscape. Let's say for example, if landscape, it will change into that because sometimes the table is too long from left to right. So what you need to do is you need to just convert this portrait into landscape so that it looks visible on the page. Okay, so right now we are just putting it portrait. Sometimes the length is too high and it's just coming like endlessly. Okay, so but it's actually not giving us proper data on the area. So for example, let me just take it to again portrait, and let's say we have adjust to this. Now here, if you see, it will actually sometimes what happens is, let's say, let me just increase this size, or let's say 32%. Let me just increase it. Okay, 120. When we do this, this kind of thing happens. See, there are so many rows out there, but it's showing just 1, 2, 3, 4. But all the rows are transferred into another page. So partly showing onto this page and then partly showing it on this page. To avoid these mistakes, you just go to parent setup, go to fit to, and let's say you can assume that how many pages you want. So you can just let's say the whole database can come into 2 or 3. So keep the like width is 1, and the tall is 2. I mean, fit to 1, and then pages wide by 2. If I do this, see the whole database is coming at least in 2 pages, and all no column is going outside the page. Okay, so this is the thing you need to keep in mind. Like fit this fit to 1, but pages can be tall, because we are scrolling from top to bottom, not left to right. So for the second thing here, we put 2. Paper size, keep always A4. You can also change it here, but keep it A4 because most of the print comes on A4 size paper. And then options, there's nothing, there's portrait and landscape. That's okay. And then margins. Now, margins is also important uh, because when we print, we forget always about this margin thing. So keep at least 0.5 to 1 on the top and bottom. Uh, 0.5 is fine, and in the left also 0.5 to 1 is fine, but in the right side keep at least 0.5. So this is the criteria you can put. Again, the option is same. Then this is really important, header and footer. Just like in Word we have header and footer, in Excel also we have header and footer. So let's say this is the header, you want to fix something that come on each and every page when you print that particular area. So you can customize your header. Let's say you want to uh, print any text. For example, let's say DD and company. And then in the center section, let's say you want to print insert page number. You can put on the footer also, but I'm just showing you what are the options available. So you can let's say print page number, and then you can also uh, print number of pages. So this is the page number, and insert number of pages. Then comes, you can also let's go to the right section, and you can print date. You can also print time. So every time you print, it will show you at which time you have printed this. And insert file name. If you want to add some file name, I'm not adding it, but I'm just showing you. If you want to insert the particular file name, you can insert all that also, and insert any sheet name, that is also possible. And also you can insert picture. Let's say you have any logo or something, you can add it here. Just go to click here, and then go to from to file. And just for example, this is very big picture, so let's 300 by 300 will be fine, or maybe like less than 100 by 100 pixels. But this is very huge image, so it will cover all the whole page. So I'm not adding it, but you can try this. And if you want to format any format thing, so right now it's not there, so it's not formatting. So this is how you can add it. So when I add this, it will show you something like this on my page. The same thing you can do in your footer as well. So just like custom header, you can add custom footer. So for example, address, you can you can add your address. You'll end the left section, let's say D and company name, or in the right section you want to add something, let's say page number. Sometimes we bring a page number. So insert the page number, or maybe let's say date. When you do this, and then options are always same, and then sheet, or this we will cover later on, and then header and footer, and okay. So when you do this, see, can you see this? DDN company, the date, the page number, in the footer also. So this is like set and forget. You do it once, and every time when you print that sheet, it will bring this address and everything. This is like a watermark. You are putting some kind of watermark on this. Okay, but you don't need to do everything. You don't need to do it every time whenever you print. It just comes automatically. So you just set this once a time, and then it's done. Okay, so this is the header and footer you can set. And what else? Like collated means you want to print. Let's say you are printing multiple page. Let's say 1 to 10 on 3 copy each. So in collated, it will print you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then again second copy will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and again third copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the 10 pages. In uncollated, it will print all the ones, all the first pages at once, and it will create a bunch of that, and then it will print the second page like 3 copies, and then third page 3 copies, fourth page, something like that. So you can select that also. And margin, yes, margins are also important, so keep it normal, something like this. But in case if you want to change, you can see this small part here. So it will bring and hide the margins. You can change your margin as per your requirement, something like this. You want to increase, you want to decrease the top margin, and then something like this. Okay. And one more thing, in case if you have a small database and it's not coming into the page, you just select fit to 1 by 1. So it will bring the whole database into one page. So right now we have enough database which can come on one page. So that's why we can just simply go here and then fit 1 to 1. So it will take everything into one page. So that it's going to 2 page. That's why I just added here 2 pages. But in case if you have that specific database that you want to print on one page and it's not coming on the one page, just simply put fit to 1 and 1, and then okay. Okay, let me just revert it to 2, so it looks okay. So this is how you can do. And let's say for example, I'm not printing it into print, but let's just print on PDF, and then I give the path to desktop 1, 2, 3, and then we'll open this file and we'll check how many headers are coming here. Okay, this file. So this is how it will look. Can you see this? The header is coming properly, and then the footers are coming properly. So this is how you can manage your printing section. Now, apart from this, there is one more important thing that is important, which is like these headers. Like sometimes when we print on the first page, it will bring this headers, but on the second page, it will not bring. Like it will print something like this without any header. So it is hard to understand, okay, which column is this? Let's say we have a long sheet which we want to print, let's say 4 to 5 pages, but each and every pages we need this title so that we can understand, okay, this data belongs to this particular header, so we can easily understand it. For doing this, there is an option. We just go to page layout, margins we already checked, orientation we checked, size A4 always, breaks, you can insert the breaks, but it's not right now important. Here comes the area. Let's say set print area. Okay, I forgot to show you the shortcut. Alt P and R. Alt PRS. Alt PRS. Okay. Next is, sorry, yeah, print titles. So I was talking about print title. Let's say you want to print this title in each and every sheet whenever it comes. So let's say on the first page, the company name, then the header of the sheet, I mean the title of the sheet, and then this heading of all the database. You want to print it every time. What you would do, you just go to print titles, print area, just ignore this, make it 0, and then rows to repeat at the top. I mean, these are the rows will repeat on each and every page. So we just go to click into arrow, and then you just put your cursor here. So it will select this and then enter. Now there is one more option. If you want to bring this particular area every time, you can do that as well. I think, let me just reconfirm this. And then you go to columns to repeat. Let's say you have specific columns that you want to check. So let's say you want to repeat this A column on each and every page. So you can select that as well. Select this and then it's done. And that's it. If you want to keep the grid lines on, you can put the grid line on. So all these, small grid lines will come. But I don't prefer that because it's not good when you print this. And just take print preview. Then okay. There's a problem trying to formula. I think I made some mistake. Okay, let me just do it again. This is done. And then the second option, this is done. And okay. So every time we print, this area and this area will repeat every time. You want to see how? Something like this. Can you see the header? And if I go to next page, we have header again. But now the company title is not coming. If you want to add company title, simply go to print titles, rows to repeat at top, and then you select this part, row 1 to 4, which has a whole part, and then escape. Remove this part right now because this was just for example. If you have any column to repeat, and okay, then you can see Control P, and you can see this ABC unique ID, and when you go to next page, it will repeat again. Only the database will change. And if you have multiple pages, you can just select this print titles, and it is done. So every time you don't struggle to find out, okay, what data it is, which header belongs to which data column. So this is how you can do this. Okay, I hope this was really important because most of the people struggle in this part also. Now, if you want to beautify, there are some templates that has been given to by the Excel. Let's say themes. If you want to change the theme, let's say you want to put this theme, it will change. Did you see that font has been changed? And if you want, let's say this one, you can keep this. So these are ready-made template. If you want to beautify your template, you select whatever you want, and then I will prefer the normal one. And then if you want to change the font, let's say Calibri and all, you can change this. You can change the color. See how it's changing everything. So these are the templates that is being given by the Excel. And this is all. I hope you understood this importance. So what we checked is go to print, then page setup, header and footer, print to PDF, page break view. Yeah, this is a page break view. Simply go to view and page break preview. So this is something it works. So it will show you how many pages will be there. And if you want to change it, you can simply drag this column to the last. So this whole area will come in the one page. And let's say you have here something written, signature part for the company director, and you want to take this in the normal page setup. When we print like one 1 to 2, like 2 pages tall and 1 page wide, it may include this into next page. But when you go to page break view, you can actually drag this blue line to this part. And this is how you can change your, your change your print area by using the page break preview. And once it is done, when you select, this particular part will come on your first page. And then you can go to next page and next page, something. Okay, so you can manually also do this. So up to which mark you want to take this first page, and then you can simply change this. This is how you can change your page setup and page break preview. Let me just navigation is nothing but just navigation, how many sheets are there and all these things. Okay, so that's it. We will go to normal view, and this is all we have learned today. So I hope you understood this. If you are facing any kind of problem like setting the page, just drop your query in the comments in the group, and I will be so helpful to help. I will be so happy to help you. This all for today. Now comes the time of our shortcuts, right? Let me just take it here. Yeah, formula. Sorry. First, we take formula. So formula, there are two formulas. One is ceiling and floor. So what these formulas done is it helps us to round off our numbers in the multiple of 1, 2, 5, or whatever we want. Like maximum we use 1 to 10. So let's say we have this database 15.19, sorry, 8461 and 1.2. Let's say I'm just randomly adding this thing. We can use rand between also, but I'm just showing you quickly. I added 2 pointers. Now let's say we have this particular section, and sorry. And here what we want to do is all the things after decimal, if they are, let's say, point or something, we want to bring it 153. No any other point, just 153 direct. So we will do ceiling tab this number, and we want to bring it to multiple of 1. So it will change directly 153. No decimal, nothing, straight 153. And now if you want to reduce, like in the backward downside, if you want to take it, so we use the floor formula. Let's say we have this number and we want to change to let's say 42. So floor comma sorry, tab, select the number, comma 1. So it will bring 1542. Can we change this to multiple of 5? Yes, we can do. So let's say we have want to add, if goes 152, it will bring, let's say, 155. So we add multiple of 5. So it is going to the ceiling up to the multiple of that particular number which you put in the formula. So it will take the ceiling of the number. And in the same way, it will bring you to the floor. Let's say 5 multiple of 5. So 1540. Sometimes, we want to round off these kind of things. So you can use these formulas to bring the multiple numbers and rounding off upward and downwards. Let's say, let me just put number of 10. You can do it with round also, but these two formula are more accurate. Something like this. Okay. And now the next is our shortcut. Our shortcut is simply formula reference. Formula reference is something that helps us to know that which formula we have put and how we can track that formula. For example, F2 is a very simple thing that we all know. When we do F2, it will activate the formula and it will show us what formula we have put. Sometimes the formula is so complicated that connects different part. So let's say we are adding this, sum, this, and then plus sum, this. What happened? Oh, sorry. Bracket. Then let's say this part. So this kind of complex formula is there. And we want to check, okay, how many things are covered. So we simply go control and this bracket, control and then bracket. So it will show you what are the things that have been covered in this. Can you see this? So it will take you to the reference to the formula. Control bracket open. Control, and then again if you want to go back to that particular cell, Control G, enter. It will take you to the main formula. Now this is in the same sheet, that's why it's bringing you quickly. But let's say you have a formula, you put the formula in different cell, like is equal to sum, and let's say your formula is in this sheet, this, then plus sum, and then this, and then bracket close, something like this. So you want to check, okay, well, where is the reference? So you just simply put control bracket open and it will take you there. So this is our formula that we put. And if you want to go back, either you can press control F5 and enter, or you can also go control G and enter. It means go to the last reference. Okay, so this is our formula and our shortcut. Control bracket open. Then let's say if you want to check the formula formulas in whole sheet. So we have this this sign, control, and then this one. I've shown you. Let me just. There was the keyboard. There was a keyboard I have entered. Yeah. This sign. Control and. Damn, I forgot the name of this sign. Tilde. Okay, sorry. Yeah, tilde. So this is there is no there is a numeric pad, and there is a small sign. This one, tilde. So this happens sometimes. Sometimes we forget. So when you press control tilde, it will bring back to the normal sheet. But if you want to check, okay, how many where exactly the formulas are put, so control tilde and it will show you all the sheet wherever the formula you can simply find. See here there is a formula, then here there is a formula. It will show you all the formulas, so you can quickly navigate and quickly check, okay, where the error is coming, if you want to check any error or what are the formulas you have put. I don't have any specific used case of this, but sometimes you can check, okay, where the formula has been put. There you can use this control tilde, control tilde, control tilde to back. Yeah, let me just put it here, otherwise I will forget it again. Tilde. Okay, tilde sign. So this is all for today. I hope you have understood this. Now task for the day is you just share the screenshot of commented and linked sheet created in the group, whatever you have created, your database, and also create PDF to PDF with titles and headers and print to PDF. Share your questions and queries, and you can share a screenshot of that particular print also. So thank you so much for being with me in this learning journey. I really appreciate your appreciation, your likes and comments, whatever you are doing. And please share your queries so that I can help you to solve these query, and you can understand these concepts so you can use this in your office work or in your day-to-day life. So this is your friend Divesh signing off. See you tomorrow and in the new lesson. And from tomorrow, we are going to change our learning a little bit in not the totally advanced, but yeah, more than this, just formatting and everything. We are going to do a real work in Excel. So thank you so much for your support. Have a great day. Keep learning. Keep improving. This is your friend Divyesh Dave. Bye. Take care.